This is Dr. Terry Jackson. Please tune in. Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show and it will change your life.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, and as said by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, the greatest poet of this land, that as great as your name is, I am begging you the mercy of that size which can never be calculated, because you are a shadow or all of us, which is invisible, but it's there from the times and ages. And oh my God, what should I ask you for? Because you know, what do I need? You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, which depicts the beauty of Sindh, the sorrows and happinesses and bliss, every fragrance related to, every aroma related to Sindh, devailing since centuries as Indus Valley civilization. And this radio, which is a full-time radio, which is a 24/7 365 web radio, which webcasts from United Kingdom, it has a weekly radio show called Indus Melodies, which airs right now from Radio Voice of Sindh London, on Saturday 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time. And this is Indus Melodies, that very show, and this is me, Yasir Kazi, the host and the producer of this show, the compiler, the designer of the show, and your family member, saying you all, Assalamu alaikum, Haq Majood, Barhaq Majood, Sach Majood, Sabt Majood, Sindh Majood, Sada Majood, Namaskar, Namaskarum, Sat Sri Akal, Mujrosa, and welcome to the show, Bhalikar to the show. Please match your watches with our studio clock. This is 3:05 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, 3:35 p.m. as per Indian Standard Time, 2:05 p.m. as per Standard Time of United Arab Emirates, UAE, 11:05 a.m. in the morning as per United Kingdom Standard Time, and 6:05 a.m. early in the morning as per Eastern Time or UTC-5 or GMT-4, in Washington DC, New York City, and Toronto. Hi folks, I hope you are doing well and welcome to the show. Saying you welcome, we are going to start today's show with the voice of Abida Parveen and with the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, the most significant poet of this land, which is taken from his melody Mumal and Rano. Normally we end our conversation and our gatherings with Rano, but out of his schedule, we are going to start today's show with Rano, with the melody of Rano. And this size, Pasi Gadha Gulla, when I saw red flowers, when I saw red roses, what happened? Let's ask Gigi Abida Parveen in the start of the show. Here we go.
पसी गाढ़ा गुल्ला पसी गाढ़ा गुल्ला हो गया मता पागुल चांगे के चारे पसी गाढ़ा गुल्ला पसी गाढ़ा गुल्ला हो गया मता पागुल चांगे के चारे पसी गाढ़ा गुल्ला संदन फुलाला वलियूं वेहा वेहाटियूं वलियूं वलियूं वेहा वेहाटियूं हिका संदन फुलाला मता का गुल चांगे के चारे पसी गाड़ा गुल अला पसी गाड़ा गुल हो मियां मता का गुल चांगे के चारे पसी गाड़ा गुल कोटन मथे कुंगरा कोटन मथे कुंगरा माड़ियूं ॾिसी मां भुलो वला कोटन मथे कोटन मथे मथे कोटन मथे कुंगरा माड़ियूं ॾिसी मां भुलो वला मता का गुल चांगे के चारे पसी गाड़ा गुल हो मियां पसी गाड़ा गुल अला मता का गुल चांगे के चारे पसी गाड़ा गुल चांगो चारण हालिया चांगो चारण हालिया मदीने जमल अला चांगो चारण हालिया चांगो 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 चारण हालिया मदीने जमल अला मता का गुल चांगे के चारे पसी गाड़ा गुल अला पसी गाड़ा गुल हो मियां मता का गुल चांगे के चारे पसी गाड़ा गुल अद्यूं शाहो लतीफ़ चे भिट जो शाहो लतीफ़ सरतियूं अद्यूं शाहो लतीफ़ चे अॻियां भीड़ मां भुलोला सरतियूं शाहो लतीफ़ सरतियूं अद्यूं शाहो लतीफ़ चे अॻियां भीड़ मां भुलोला मता का गुल चांगे के चारे पसी गाड़ा गुल अला पसी गाड़ा गुल हो मियां मता का गुल चांगे के चारे पसीगाड़ा गुल्ला
Passi Gadha Gull. We started our today's show in this melodies with the voice of Abida Parveen, Gigi Abida Parveen, and poetry of Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. Welcome to the show. This is Indus Melodies, live from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. You would be listening in today's show the voices of Muhammad Yusuf, Mahar Simi, Zulfiqar Ali, Shazia, Sarmat Sindhi, Rubina Qureshi, Ashik Nizamani, Barkat Bhatt, Mumtaz Lashari, Rahmat Mirali, Firoz Gul. Yes, the voice of Firoz Gul. And again, we would be closing today's show with the voice of Gigi Abida Parveen. We are heading towards the voice of Ustad Muhammad Yusuf. And this song is chosen from Sindhi movie Laila Majnu. And what does Ustad Muhammad Yusuf say? I would be sharing translation after the song. Here we go.
रोंदे रात गुजारी आमिल बेवस आया आमिल बेवस आया मौत बराबर तुझी जुदाई कान जलाई तुझे इश्क जी वाट न्यारी आमिल बेबस आया आमिल बेबस आया चकोर थी इश्क कमायो
प्यारे जो गुलशन छोना बतायो
दिल दर्द फिराक जिमारी
आमिल बेबस आया आमिल बेबस आया
मुकर्रदे रात गुजारी आमिल बेबस आया आमिल बेबस आया।
I passed the whole night while shedding my tears from my eyes, while crying for you. This was Ustad Muhammad Yusuf singing for the Sindhi movie Laila Majnu, and we aired the song in Indus Melodies live from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. And this very show is being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh, London every Saturday. This is edition number 38 of season number 1 of Radio Voice of Sindh, London's weekly English radio show with Sindhi songs, which is called Indus Melodies, the melodies of Indus, the melodies of Sindh, the melodies of Indus Valley civilization. So, continuing the same theme, we are moving towards the voice of Meher Simi, who says that I cried a lot while remembering you, while missing you. Here we go. Meher Simi was singing the sorrows of her life. She was depicting, she was representing a lot of folks who are listening, who do listen to her voice or who do listen to Sindhi music, because music or poetry or any sort of expression of fine arts is the depiction of the spectators. How do they feel? What do they feel? That is depicted by various sorts of the fine arts. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies being webcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh London. Yesterday, on 21st of May, we paid a tribute to Comrade Haider Bakhsh Jatoi, Baba Sindh, the father of Sindh, and the creator of the slogan of G.A. Sindh, who introduced this slogan by his poetry, which we aired in yesterday's show, which was G.A. Sindh, Jame Mohabbat P.A. Sindh. And yesterday, the world endorsed as World Tea Day. And yesterday also, we completed 70 years, 7 decades of Pakistan-China friendship. And this was 1951 when we shook hands with China, and from then till now this friendship goes on, and hopefully by the successful completion of CPAC, this friendship will be more strengthened and it will strengthen the development of both of the friends. So live long Pakistan-China friendship, which completed 7 decades yesterday.
सिवाय केडी मिठा वीरान आहे जिंदगी, हैरान आहे जिंदगी, परेशान आहे जिंदगी, जिंदगी जिंदगी। जी चाह में कंदल भरियूं रहूं मिलियूं, मूगी तड़ाइण थे घुरा पर दर्द जूं दहूं मिलियूं, तोखा सिवाय दिलरुबा सुनसान आहे जिंदगी, हैरान आहे जिंदगी, परेशान आहे जिंदगी, जिंदगी जिंदगी। तुझे अखिल जी आसा, तोखे पसंद जी ऐ पीरी, मूंखे अज़ल खां प्यासा, तू जान आही तो सिवा बेजान आहे जिंदगी, हैरान आहे जिंदगी, परेशान आहे जिंदगी, तो खास सिवाए केॾी मिठा वीरान आहे ज़िंदगी हैरान आहे ज़िंदगी परेशान आहे ज़िंदगी 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 ज़िंदगी
Zulfikar Ali was singing the lyrics of Imdad Hussaini, written by Imdad Hussaini, which we just aired in Radio Voice of Sindh, London's weekly radio show Indus Melodies, and that was Zulfikar Ali who was singing this poetry, and this is Zulfikar Syal who wrote the lyrics and Shazia sung those lyrics. The previous lyrics meant that my life wonders on what happened in my life, and this upcoming forthcoming song says that my relationship with you contains the depth like oceans, the ocean's depth, and I want to make it more deep, deeper and deepest. Let's listen to Shazia. Shazia was singing this beautiful song, Pyar Asanjo Piri, Gehre Samudra Jiyan. My love is like the deep ocean. This was sung by Shazia Hussain in Indus Melodies, which is being aired from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. And this is Sarmat Sindhi singing this beautiful song for your listening pleasures. Here we go.
याद तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी, याद तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी। तू न आए पिरी, तू न आए पिरी, तू न आए पिरी, लुढ़क प्याहन लड़ी। याद तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी, याद तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी। तू न आए याद तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी, याद तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी। याद तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी। तू न आए पिरी, तू न आए पिरी, तू न आए पिरी, लुढ़क प्याहन लड़ी। याद तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी, याद तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी। तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी। तू न आए पिरी, तू न आए पिरी, तू न आए पिरी, लुढ़क प्याहन लड़ी। याद तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी, याद तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी। जुल्फ़ों सा जुदाई जो नाए गुमा, जुल्फ़ों सा जुदाई जो नाए गुमा। याद तुहंजी असा सुना, याद तुहंजी असा जीवन दी गुसियल कड़ी। याद तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी, याद तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी। तू न आए पिरी, तू न आए पिरी, तू न आए पिरी, लुढ़क प्याहन लड़ी। याद तुहंजी तरी आई मन तेवरी, याद तुहंजी तरी
Again, I missed you. Again, I remembered you. And again, your picture came on the canvas of my memory, on the canvas of my mind. This was the meaning of the lyrics sung by Sarmat Sindhi, Yaad Tunji Tari, Ai Manate Vari. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sin London, and this is Indus Melodies, the weekly English radio show with Sindhi melodies, with Sindhi playlist, and these are definitely the melodies of Indus Valley civilization. That's a good news that there's a ceasefire in Palestine, but you can't predict any sort of attack from Israeli forces, because yesterday it happened after Jummah prayers in the alternate courtyard of Masjid Aqsa, the first Qibla of Muslims, and it again happened because in the morning it was ceasefire. The ceasefire was announced by the United Nations, but it was violated by the Israeli forces, and there's a continuous fear. So we pray from God that there should be peace in every corner of the world, including the Palestine, including Kashmir, and including Sindh, including Indus Valley civilization, and including every part of the world. And the world says, the peaceful world says, that the solution of Palestine-Israel conflict is in two-state solution, but Israel does not approve it. Let's pray for the peace in Palestine, in Israel, in Gaza, and every corner of the world.
कोमल
Mumal Lal Kuar. This was a bride song sung by Rubina Qureshi and chorus and her companions. This was a folk song. This is called Sara, which is sung in the festivals and the wedding festivals. This is a festive song which we just aired in Radio Voice of Sindh, London's weekly radio show, Indus Melodies. And this is 38th edition of Indus Melodies, the season 1 of Indus Melodies. And this is Ashik Nizamani who sings that, "Oh my companion." This is amazing that even you forgot my name, and I'm sure that whatever the promises were made by you, there were memories between you and me, you must have forgot all those. Here we go.
मुंहिंजो नालो ई सखी विसरी वई, मुंहिंजो नालो ई सखी विसरी वई। गुल किताबनि में रखी, गुल किताबनि में रखी विसरी वई। मुंहिंजो नालो ई सखी विसरी वई, मुंहिंजो नालो ई सखी विसरी वई। तो चपन सां त मञो की न मगर, तो चपन सां त मञो की न मगर। ॻाल्हि चेहरे मां बखी विसरी वई, ॻाल्हि चेहरे मां बखी विसरी वई। गुल किताबनि में रखी, गुल किताबनि में रखी विसरी वई। मुंहिंजो नालो ई सखी विसरी वई। तो हर मुंद खे चोड़ियो माणियो, तो हर मुंद खे चोड़ियो माणियो। मूं जुदाई ई चखी विसरी वई, मूं जुदाई ई चखी विसरी वई। गुल किताबनि में रखी, गुल किताबनि में रखी विसरी वई। मुंहिंजो नालो ई सखी विसरी वई। दोस्त आजाद फिजाओं में बनी दोस्त आजाद फिजाउन में बनी हिकड़ो पिंजरे जो पखी विसरी वे हिकड़ो पिंजरे जो पखी विसरी वे गुल किताबन में रखी गुल किताबन में रखी विसरी वई मुंहिंजो नालो ई सखी विसरी वई मुंहिंजो नालो ई सखी
मुंहिंजो नालो ई सखी विसरी वई गुल किताबन में रखी विसरी वई. This was Ashik Nizamani. This song was aired from Radio Voice of Sindh London. Right now you are listening to Endless Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh London. If you are driving, drive carefully and please take care of all the traffic rules. Whenever you are on road, you must think that everybody else is visionless and you have to save the lives around you. This is Barkat Bhatt, who says that please save your memories and memoirs. These are two different things, but please save both of these because these will help you out when you would be alone. Here we go.
संभाल कम ईंदई यादगिरियों संभाल कम ईंदई कंहिं विछोड़े जे साल कम ईंदई कंहिं विछोड़े जे साल कम ईंदई यादगिरियों संभाल कम ईंदई राह रह गया हयाती जे राह रह गया हयाती जे प्यार दिए मिसाल कम ईंदई प्यार दिए मिसाल कम कंहिं विछोड़े जे साल कम ईंदई कंहिं विछोड़े जे साल कम ईंदई यादगिरियों संभाल कम ईंदई पुछ जाए गद हली सघंदियां उन खां हली सघंदीअ हिकिड़ो नंढड़ो सवाल कम ईंदई हिकिड़ो नंढड़ो सवाल कम ईंदई कंहिं विछोड़े जे साल कम ईंदई कंहिं विछोड़े जे साल कम ईंदई यादगिरियूं संभाल कम ईंदई सारे छॾियो चङो ई तो विसारे छॾियो चङो ई कहिड़ो बर्बाद हाल कम ईंदई कहिड़ो बर्बाद हाल कम ईंदई कंहिं विछोड़े जे साल
यादगिरियों संभाल कम ईंदई कंहिं विछोड़े जे साल कम ईंदई. We were listening to Barkat Bhatt in Indus Melodies, and you are listening to Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. This is Ustad Muhammad Yusuf, who is requesting his beloved, his cherished one, to come on his doorsteps, because whenever you meet your own ones, that is the real pleasure, that is the real happiness which you get by their company. May you be with your own ones all the times. And with this pray, let's listen to Ustad Muhammad Yusuf and this beautiful song. Here we go.
मुंहिंजे नेणनि में थी वेहु ऐं तोखे ॾिसी पियो ॾिसंदो रहां ओ पिरी ओ रे ओ पिरी ओ रे मुंहिंजे नेणनि में थी वेहु ऐं तोखे ॾिसी पियो ॾिसंदो रहां ओ पिरी ओ रे जो थधड़ी ॼण त तूं ही रहिया तूं बहारनि जे रंगनि जी तस्वीर साह में तुंहिंजी ख़ुशबू समाए वठां पिरी ओरे आ ओ पिरी ओरे आ मुंहिंजे नेणनि में थी वे ऐं तोखे ॾिसी पियो ॾिसंदो रहां ॾिसंदो रहां ओ पिरी ओरे आ ओरे आ अखियुनि खां जे ओझल हलियो थो वञी यादि पल पल पियो मूंखे ॾाढो वठी तुंहिंजा सपना ई नेणनि में हर पल ॾिसां ओ पिरी ओरे मुंहिंजे नेणनि में थी वे ऐं तोखे ॾिसी पियो ॾिसंदो रहां ॾिसंदो रहां ओ पिरी ओरे आ ओरे आ मूंखे प्यारी लगे जान तोखां परे छलन को पल वचे प्यार में तुंहिंजा गम वेठो मुर्की सहां ओ पिरी ओरे आ ओ पिरी ओरे आ मुंहिंजे नेणनि में थी वे ऐं तोखे ॾिसी पियो ॾिसंदो रहां ॾिसंदो रहां ओ पिरी ओरे आ ओरे आ
Opening Orea, please come near me, oh my cherished one. This was Muhammad Yusuf who was singing this beautiful, pretty song for your listening pleasure, and I hope that you enjoyed this song. You're listening to Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sin London, and Indus Melodies is being aired on every Saturday 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time and 11 in the morning as per UK Standard Time as per Standard Time of United Kingdom. And apart from this show, we meet twice in my disc jockey breakfast morning show, which is Suraj Shaakhon Kadhiyon, which means, that is in Sindhi, and this title means the sun has spread its rays. And this is aired 10 a.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time and 6 a.m. as per United Kingdom Standard Time, as per Standard Time of London, England, and 1 in the night as per Eastern Time on Tuesdays and Fridays. So this is the schedule how we meet in the week. We are heading towards the voice of Mumtaz Lashari, and he is singing the lyrics written by Mir Abdur Rasool Mir, which says that without you, away from you, being distant from you, how would be this life useful? Of course, definitely, it is not of any use if you are not in my life.
जिंदगी छा कभी यार तो खां सिवा, जिंदगी छा कभी यार तो खां सिवा, छा कभी जिंदगी यार तो खां सिवा, जिंदगी छा कभी यार तो खां सिवा, जिंदगी था कभी यार। नाइण जिया अज भी खाइण अचे, मुखे डाइण जिया चंद्र जी चांदनी यार तो खां सिवा, चंद्र जी चांदनी यार तो खां सिवा, छा कभी जिंदगी यार तो खां सिवा, जिंदगी थी कभी यार तो खां सिवा। हार सिंगार कहिड़ा कबा छा कबो, हार सिंगार कहिड़ा कबा छा कबो, आरिसीअ खे ॾिसी यार तो खां सिवा, आरिसीअ खे ॾिसी यार तो खां सवा, छा कभी जिंदगी छा कभी यार तो खां सिवा। मीर मूंखे तहाणे सजो मुंहिंजो घर थो लॻे अजनबी यार तो खां सिवा, थो लॻे अजनबी यार तो खां सिवा, छा कभी जिंदगी यार तो खां सिवा, जिंदगी छा कभी यार तो खां सिवा, जिंदगी छा कभी यार तो खां सिवा, जिंदगी छा कभी ला री ला 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 री ला ला।
Mumtaz Lashari was singing the lyrics written by Mir Abdul Rasul Mir, which we just webcasted in Radio Voice of Sin London, and you are listening to Indus Melodies 38th edition of season number 1. And this show is being aired from Radio Voice of Sin London. The live stream of Radio Voice of Sin London, Radio VOS London. And apart from that, the alternate broadcast of this show is being broadcasted from my YouTube channel, which is with the name of Yasir Kazi, youtube.com/FMWQY, and also from my Facebook fan page, which is facebook.com/DJ Yasir Kazi. If you're not on my YouTube channel and my Facebook fan page for following all the activities of culture and other fine arts, if you want to follow me, you can follow these pages. This is Rahmat Mirali singing this beautiful song, which means that, oh my dear, you cannot imagine the sorrow, the pain of being away, of being distant, because you don't know that what is the real pain of being distant, of being away from your beloved, because you have never loved anybody.
चाहे यार जुदाई तो खेचा मालूम, चाहे यार जुदाई तो खेचा मालूम, मेले जी तन्हाई, मेले जी तन्हाई तो खेचा मालूम, चाहे यार जुदाई तो खेचा मालूम। याद असांखे रोलियो केॾो राहनि, याद असांखे रोलियो केॾो राहनि, रात जॻंदी आई तोखे छा मालूम, रात जॻंदी आई तोखे छा मालूम, मेले जी तन्हाई है, मेले जी तन्हाई तोखे छा मालूम, चाहे यार जुदाई तोखे छा मालूम। तो हुन जे नेड़नि खे की न ॾिठो आहे, तो हुन जे नेड़नि खे की न ॾिठो आहे, समुंडनि जी गहराई तोखे छा मालूम, समुंडनि जी गहराई तोखे छा मालूम, मेले जी तन्हाई तोखे छा मालूम, चाहे यार जुदाई तोखे छा मालूम। खानदार रहीब उन जी रहंदी हिन दिल जी अरदाई तोखे छा मालूम हिन दिल जी अरदाई तोखे छा मालूम मेले जी तन्हाई मेले जी तन्हाई तोखे छा मालूम छाहे यार जुदाई तोखे छा मालूम छाहे यार जुदाई तोखे छा मालूम
चाहे यार जुदाई तोखे छा मालूम. We were listening to Rahmat Ali Mirali, and of course, definitely, Rahmat Ali Mirali is the real brother of Shaman Ali Mirali, but there's a difference, huge difference between the singing style of Rahmat and Shaman. Shaman Ali Mirali is holding a folk style of singing, and Rahmat Ali Mirali is a fine composer, music director, and also a beautiful ghazal singer. His voice is made for singing ghazals only. Ustad Feroz Gul, who is majorly known as a music director, as a music composer, but he sang also a lot of songs, including this one, the upcoming one, the forthcoming one, which is the poetry written by Sheikh Ayaz and sung by Feroz Gul, that last night I kept on lighting the candles to see you away, but I passed whole the night and could not find you on my doorsteps. Let's listen to Feroz Gul singing this beautiful poetry by Sheikh Ayaz. Here we go.
तोला तकींदे दिया उझाना छुपनाए हो तुम रात राना तोला तकींदे दिया उझाना छुपनाए हो तुम रात राना ऐ चंद तोखे पहुंची ना पहुंचा ऐ चंद तोखे पहुंची ना पहुंचा अज गीत मुंहिंजा ॾाढो उॾाणा छुपनाए हो तूं रात राणा तोला तकींदे दिया उझाणा छुपनाए हो तूं रात राणा महकारा है काई मिट्टिया में महकारा है काई मिट्टिया में ही केर महके उनमें समाना छुपनाए हो तूं रात राणा तोला तकींदे दिया उझाणा छुपनाए हो तूं रात राणा मायूस आही ऐ महंदरा छो मायूस आही ऐ महंदरा छो मुंह मल कंदिया कह वक्त रात मणा छो कोनाए हो तू रात राणा बोलाए तकींदे दिया उझाणा छो कोनाए हो तू रात राणा अजकल अयाज आ मरहम महंगी अजकल अयाज आ मरहम महंगी ऐं घाव तुंहिंजा आहिनि पुराणा छो कोन आए हो तूं रात राणा बोलाए तकींदे दिया बुझाणा छो कोन आए हो तूं रात राणा बोलाए तकींदे दिया बुझाणा छो कोन आए हो तूं रात राणा बोलाए तकींदे दिया बुझाणा छो कोन आए हो तूं रात राणा.
This is Dr. Terry Jackson, and you're listening to Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show, and it will change your life.
तोले तकींदे दिया उझाणा छो कोन आए तूं ओ राज rana o my rana. Actually this is side by Mumal who kept waiting for his rano for whole the night, and she is complaining her rano, her hero, that for whole the night I kept on waiting for you and I burnt all the candles, but even the completion of all those candles I could not find you on my doorsteps, and you could not afford to come to see me right from Amarkot to Ladano, because as per this legend Rano Mendro used to come from Amarkot to Ladano, and Ladano is nowadays in Jodhpur, near Jodhpur, in Gujarat, in Kutch and Bhuj. So we would be discussing sometimes, because most of the researchers say that this is a myth because of many reasons, including the one that there is no finest camel which can travel from Amarkot to Ladano within the night and return back to Amarkot on the same night, and even the fastest Range Rover of today cannot do this because it is a huge distance from Amarkot to Ladano. So it is impossible that a camel does this travel. Anyways, you are listening to Radio Voice of Sin London, and this is Indus Melodies, and this is the voice of Muhammad Yusuf again, who is singing the lyrics written by Bilawal Pardesi, that, oh my dear, without you the life is nothing, nothing and nothing. It is like a weight on me which I cannot bear. Please come to my life so that the life, the breath should be easy upon me. Here we go.
हयाती बार थी प्यारा किथे आही प्यारा किथे आही कसम तुंहिंजो तके राहूं थका तारा किथे आही प्यारा किथे आही सिवा तुंहिंजे अज़ल जे प्यास में लुछंदे कचम कारियूं सवेरातियूं अज़ल जे प्यास में लुछंदे कचम कारियूं सवेरातियूं उजड़ आहिनि उमेदिन जा सभई चारा किथे आही प्यारा किथे आही सिवा तुंहिंजे ख़यालनि में चमन में गुल टिड़न था प्यार तुंहिंजे जा प्यार तुंहिंजे जा ख़यालनि जे चमन में गुल टिड़न था प्यार तुंहिंजे जा प्यार तुंहिंजे जा अची ख़्वाबनि में तड़पा हे वञण वारा किथे आहीं प्यारा किथे आहीं सिवा तुंहिंजे हसी रातियूं नथियूं विसरनि ॾुखिया ॾींहड़ा नथा गुज़रनि ॾींहड़ा नथा गुज़रनि हसी रातियूं नथियूं विसरनि ॾुखिया ॾींहड़ा नथा गुज़रनि ॾींहड़ा नथा गुज़रनि पुकारे थी दिले वीरा पिरी प्यारा किथे आहीं प्यारा किथे आहीं सिवा तुंहिंजे हयाती बार थी प्यारा किथे आहीं प्यारा किथे आहीं कसम तुंहिंजो तके राहूं थका तारा किथे आहीं प्यारा किथे आहीं सिवा तुंहिंजे
सवा तुंहिंजे हयाती बार थी प्यारा किथे आहीं, where are you my dear? And this was the headline when Ustad Muhammad Yusuf departed from us in 1997 on 14th February, and in the newspapers of 15th February 1999 this was the headline along with the death news of Ustad Muhammad Yusuf. This line was written over the window that Sava Tunje Hayati Baar Thi Pyara Kithe Aahi. May his soul, not only his, Ustad Muhammad Yusuf's soul, but also Bilawal Pardesi's soul rest in peace. So listeners, this is the time to wrap up the show, and thank you very much for being with us. Please be with us in every of our show, in every of our venture. This was edition number 38 of season number 1 of Radio Voice of Sindh London. I'm very much grateful to Imdad Udhu Sahab, the CEO of Radio Voice of Sindh London, and Sarvej Udhu Sahab, who is the program coordinator of this program, for being with us, for cooperating. Like always, I would be concluding today's show with the voice of Abida Parveen, the song sung by Abida Parveen, who says that my relatives, my blood relations would have shedded their tears, would have cried for me. I'm sure for that, because it is impossible for them to forget me. If you want to extend your feedback, please do so. My email is DJ Yasir Qazi, DJYSIRQAZI. My Facebook is facebook.com/DJ Yasir Qazi, DJYSIRQAZI. My Twitter is @RJ Yasir Qazi, @RJYSIRQAZI. My YouTube is Yasir Qazi, YASIR space QAZI. And if you want to write directly in the address bar, that would be youtube.com/FMWQY. I would be meeting you inshallah Aziz, Bashar Hayat and Durustagi Halat, if God wanted and if the circumstances and health permitted me. I would be meeting you inshallah Aziz on Tuesday morning, that would be 25th of May 2021. So see you on Tuesday 10 in the morning as per Pakistan Standard Time. Till then, your host and executive producer Yasir Qazi signing out from the Karachi studios of Radio Voice of Sindh London, saying you aloha, take care, goodbye, Allah Hafiz, tata and bye-bye, over and out.
सतन हो तारा वे सतन हो ओ जर कया की न हूंदा वो मुझे नाम